Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with a brand new and super exciting video. It is going to be unboxing, not necessarily review yet. Maybe down the line I can review them, and of course I'll let you know if I recommend them. But it's going to be unboxing or luxury designer haul. So first thing first, we've got about 3 bags here. First we've got Celine, and then we've got Hermes, and we've got LOEWE, my favorite. First thing first, what I'm wearing this tube tank, yeah, from Ars and Iris. Is a New York based designer. I just discovered them and I feature them in my luxury clothing haul. If you have not seen that one, be sure to watch it. This is a size small. I really love this detail here. It just look like a boning of a bra, but it's on the outside, which just give it a little bit of an edgy vibe. I love it. My earrings are from the market from Mexico City that they have every Sunday, so do check it out. So let's start with Celine. So back in February, I believe, I went to Celine to get the crop top bralette. At the time, this item was starting to get hot. It was already hot, but not as hot as now. And I tried it on and I loved it. But then again, I got the bralette and then I wasn't sure if I wanted, you know, to spend the money on the sunglasses, right? So as you can see, still in Paris. I went to the one on Madison, and my sales associate was Navarre, and he was so lovely. I loved him. Like, we've got 2 bags here. This is not what we're looking for. This is the Octagon Triomphe sunglasses. Sunglasses are I'm very particular with sunglasses because I have a flat forehead, so I have to be sure I find things that fit my face shape. But these sunglasses, they actually universal. They go with literally everyone. It doesn't matter what your face shape is, these sunglasses will fit you. First, it comes in a white box like so, and then when you take it out, you've got the little dusting here, and then you've got the little booklet that tells you a bunch of things. And then it comes in the beautiful black case like so. My butterfly sunglasses did not come in this. And then when you open it, it says Celine Paris. And then when you pop it open, this is the Octagon Triomphe sunglasses. As you can see over here, these are like the most stunning things that I've ever seen. I mean, I'm gonna say that for everything, so just beware of that. And then in the logo, it says Celine, and the bottom it says Paris. And you know, it's like the CC, but these honeys are amazing. If you've been thinking about these sunglasses, please go ahead and get them. Please stop thinking. They are literally the coolest shades ever, and like I said, they look good on everyone. It doesn't matter what your style is. If your style is more edgy, they look good on you. If your style is more classy or even country, they look good. I know Lydia Millen has them, Tamara has, like everyone that I know, that I follow, literally have the sunglasses. As you can see, don't they look superb on me? Like, come on, like what? And then the black and the contrast with my hair is just on another level. Like, I'm so glad that I waited, and I've never been a black sunglass girl before, but I've converted, because especially now I've been wearing a lot of black, as you can see here, you know. Example right over here. Before, I used to never wear black, so it makes sense as to why I would kind of like never buy black sunglasses. They are literally the most gorgeous thing that I've ever seen, and like I said, they look good on everyone. I love these so much. Like I said, if you've been thinking about the sunglasses, like, don't even think about it. Like, stop thinking and actually go and get them, because they are just like so stunning. They're gonna go for everything. And then before this year, I did not even own any black shoe at all. Not one black shoe. All my shoes were light colors, tans. But now I am just loving wearing black, especially since I'm going to break it off with a little bit of cream or white anyways. But I've been looking for the perfect chic, understated, but at the same time, you know, kind of belt. And I don't know what I was doing on Pinterest. I saw a picture with a girl in a white pants with a black belt. The contrast looked absolutely stunning, and I'm like, oh, I need this ASAP. That was just like last week or a couple of weeks ago. So I made up my mind, let me go ahead and get the sunglasses, and while I'm at it, let me try on the belt. This is the second box from Celine. So I've also got the Triumph belt to go with the glasses. This is my 4th Celine piece at this moment. As you can see, it says Celine Paris. I am a size 70 in terms of belt, but I like to go one size bigger because I love the extra tail at the end, because I don't like when it fits just right. When it fits just right, it just feels a little bit too elegant. I love effortless elegance. That's what I like. I still like a little bit of chic. Like, I didn't try so hard. That's why I still don't like fitted pants, because fitted pants make me look, I think it's too serious. I love a pant that is slightly slouchy and slightly oversized. That's my kind of vibe, because I want to look like I put no effort in. And that's why I love wide leg pants, because it will always give you that kind of like effortless vibes, as opposed to like a well-fitted pant. I mean, there's a time and place for everything, but 99% of the time you're gonna find me in an oversized wide leg pant. So I decided to go for the mini Trion Belt, as you can see over here, and then again, same logo as the sunglasses. It is just so stunning. Again, I cannot wait to wear this, especially since I don't have any black belt. This is going to be great to wear in the winter months over white pants to create that contrast, and also in the summer months. I'm pretty sure most everyone has a black belt. I'm probably like one of the few people that only has like 10 color belt. So I'm so happy to finally add a black belt to my collection. I really love that. So like I said, this is my 4th Celine item at this point. My first pair of sunglasses, designer sunglasses, were actually from Celine. I bought them at the hotel in Paris at the Celine store in the airport. Next up, let's move on to Hermes. So you guys know I've got 3 orange sandals. Like I told you guys, I've been buying a lot of kind of like black accessories, and every time I wear an outfit, especially an outfit like this, then I realize I don't have a black orange sandal to go with it. So I went in to get the regular black ones, right? They didn't have my size, but they had these. These were on my wish list. I've seen them around, and then I couldn't look at them anywhere. They didn't have my size, and guess what? They have the black one with the calf skin, and I was just like, these were already on my list. And I thought, you know what, these are even more special because these are even more dressy. And what I love about these, I wear a lot of 10 colors anyways, so this can actually replace both. This would be a new addition in terms of black, and also because my 10 ones are like falling apart, they're like done for, I can also wear as a 10 one when I wear 10 stuff. So I was so happy to find these. I can always get the regular blacks later. They are super dressy. No other designer flats I feel are as dressy as the Hermes ones, because they feel like you have nothing on, but at the same time they look chic with your outfit. These sandals are sandals that I can see that I'm okay with going to a nice restaurant on vacation, or even just regular in the city. I feel like the Hermes ones take the cakes in terms of versatility. You know, you can wear them to the beach, and then you can also wear them to a nice dinner when you're on vacation or in your local city. I'm a size 6, but I always go half a size bigger for slides, and these are the most comfortable thing ever. I've heard people say you have to break them in. I never had to break orange sandals. I think they're like the most comfortable thing. I think they are only uncomfortable for people with wide feet, so they need to break it in, but I have narrow feet, so I've never had that issue with orange sandal. I still think they're like the most comfortable thing ever, but I'm so happy to be the proud owner of these now. But I think my orange era is ending, to be quite honest, because I am, like I said, I'm kind of like over them. I want more kind of like, you know, more trend, not necessarily trendy, more, I guess, more trendy slides. So I want the chipper ones from them. I think they're coming back in October. I will include a picture on the screen for the chipper sandals. My friend Julia has them, and she styled them so nicely. She has them in orange, but I want them in the black. She styled them so nicely, and I'm just like, oh my god, I need these in my life right now. And I just feel like, especially since I wear love white pants, it will just be so perfect, like the perfect kind of like cool girl sandals. I really love these for now, honestly. I love the calf skin. I think these are just like stunning. Let me know if you guys like the orange sandals. Right now I have 4 pairs. So I have the yellow, I have the light blue, plus I have the 10, and these now. It used to be 5, but it's all the white. And the last item is from LOEWE. This piece from LOEWE has all the fashion girl on a chokehold. On a chokehold, like literally. I saw this a couple of months ago, and I wanted it, but I didn't really pay attention to it because at the time I had big boobs anyway, so I didn't necessarily see myself, you know, I didn't really pay much attention to it, but I did see it. It wasn't until last month, 4th of July actually, to be specific, my friend Julia came to my party and she was wearing them, and I'm like, oh my god, now I need them now more than ever. And then I went to the store to get them, sold out literally everywhere, cannot find them. And I just decided to text my sales associate Molly from the Soho store on Worcester Street, and I was like, hey, do you have the black anagram tank top? That was last week, 2 weeks ago. And then last week, I think last Thursday, she texted me at like 8 p.m. She's like, guess what, we got a restock, you know, can you come back tomorrow? And I'm just like, sweetie, I'll just be the first person when the store opens. So at 9 o'clock in the morning, I was getting ready, and at 10 o'clock, well 10:30, I was in a taxi going to Soho to go pick up this item. So this is the anagram tank top. Like I said, I got a size extra small because it is super stretchy. Last time I tried the size small, but it was a white with the white anagram, and I didn't like that because I wanted the contrast with the black. I just think this is so much cooler. So this is an extra small, so I would say it one's big, not necessarily one's big, but this is super stretchy. So if you cannot find your size, you can actually get away with getting a smaller size. And this is it. I am just so obsessed with this. It's just so cool. I just think like it's such a cool piece with just like the LOEWE anagram right here. And I love this kind of like designer pieces. My thing about luxury pieces or designer pieces, it's like if you know, you know. I don't necessarily like to wear logos from like brands that straight in your face, like, you know, logos everywhere. This is my type of logo. And I also have these sunnies, these LOEWE sunnies, which are one of my favorites. And that goes perfectly with this anagram, and these are actually one of my favorite pair of sunnies ever. If I can still find them, I'm going to link them. I can't believe I considered selling these. These are so cool. I got these last July, I believe. Wow, it's been a year since I've had these, and these are still one of my favorite pair of sunnies. So yes guys, I would say try to go to the store. This also comes in orange and green, and I'm just like, LOEWE, you need to make this in black and then with the white anagram on it. Most people will go for that, but they also have it in orange and green if you guys are more colorful. But yes, so like I said, if you have been looking for this, put yourself on alert when it comes back. You can actually put yourself on alert in the LOEWE website. Only thing about the LOEWE website, if you buy it, because it doesn't necessarily specify, you may get the white one with the white anagram. So you have to be careful because they have the same SKU number. That's what happened to me because I saw it was available in the Soho store, so I reserved it. And when I got to the Soho store, it was the white one with the red anagram, and I did not want that. So that's the only thing you have to be mindful of. But on the LOEWE website, you can actually put yourself on an alert. But it's best to just call the store and find out if they'll get a restock, so that way they can just put one to the side for you and then you can go and get it. So guys, this is it for my luxury designer haul or unboxing, I would say. I highly recommend everything that I showed you guys today. Like I said, the sunglasses, the CELINE TRIOMPHE sunglasses, if you've been thinking about them, stop thinking, get them. And if you want to add the belt too, why not? And the Hermes one, always recommend those. Honestly, those are like such a classic shoe. Like you cannot go wrong with those. I just think that I have enough of them for now. Eventually I have to repurchase the 10-1 again because mine are done, and they're like my favorite because they melt into my skin. Because when Pierre Cardi, who's the one who designed the shoe, he wanted them to feel like you were barefoot, and I feel like he achieved that. With the 10-1, they look so much like my skin. One time this lady stopped me because she thought that I had nothing on. She thought that I was barefoot, but I love them. They're just like so comfy, and they're such a staple in everyone's wardrobe. I highly recommend them. And I feel like for Hermes, they're not that pricey. I mean, it's $660, but that's the thing about Hermes. When they raise the prices, it's not a big difference. I feel like the other designers where you just like, whoa, what is happening? These used to be $630, now they're $660. Like, it's just such a subtle difference. Like, you would not even notice. But yeah, I just feel like, you know, Hermes is still like very subtle and classic. But I hope you guys enjoyed this luxury unboxing. Do let me know which piece that you do have in your collection, and also do let me know if any of this item has been on your wish list. And now if you are thinking about getting them, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye bye.